I'm about to uncover whether one smart move 5 years ago could have changed everything. What if I had invested just $1,000 in Solana? Would that small bet have paid off in a life-changing way? Over the past decade, cryptocurrency investing has exploded in popularity, producing incredible success stories. One standout in the crypto space is Solana, a blockchain that's attracted serious attention for its speed, innovation, and performance. Let us break down what would have happened if you had made a $1,000 investment in Solana 5 years ago. Now let's be honest, investing in crypto isn't for the faint of heart. The volatility, the uncertainty, and the constant stream of new tokens can be overwhelming. Solana, like many other cryptocurrencies, has seen both sky-high peaks and painful dips. But understanding those price swings is key to making smart decisions in the crypto world. Yes, the rewards can be massive, but so can the risks. Many people are fascinated by the idea of jumping into crypto but hesitate, wondering if it's too late. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is very real. Emotional decisions don't build wealth. A grounded, research-driven approach is essential to avoid common investing pitfalls. Crypto is unpredictable, no doubt, and price swings can happen in the blink of an eye. So why has Solana stood out from the crowd? Its innovative technology, blazing fast transaction speeds, and strong development team have pushed it to the top. But beyond the hype, smart investors look at the fundamentals: network strength, use cases, and long-term potential. Understandably, potential investors have real concerns, especially around volatility and regulation. Yes, crypto prices can be all over the place. And yes, government policies can shift the market dramatically. These aren't just abstract risks, they directly impact your wallet. But with proper research and diversification, investors can better manage those risks and protect their capital. The truth is, volatility cuts both ways. While prices can crash fast, they can also soar just as quickly. For risk-tolerant investors who stay informed and think long-term, those price movements offer opportunity, not just danger. Then there's the legal landscape. As governments develop clearer policies on cryptocurrencies, regulations will shape how markets behave. Staying updated with these changes is non-negotiable if you want to invest seriously. Despite all the noise, people are still drawn to crypto, and for good reason. The potential for life-changing returns is real. But it's not just about chasing gains. It's about understanding what you're reinvesting in and having a strategy that aligns with your goals. That's why diving into Solana's technology and ecosystem matters. From its proof of history consensus mechanism to its growing list of decentralized apps, dApps. Solana isn't just another coin. It's part of a broader digital transformation. And if we look at Solana's timeline over the past 5 years, the story is pretty remarkable. Starting to gain traction around 2020, its price began climbing, powered by technical upgrades, new partnerships, and increasing adoption. By 2021, Solana entered the spotlight, breaking records and joining the ranks of top cryptocurrencies by market cap. That $1,000 investment from 5 years ago, by the end of 2021, it would have skyrocketed, potentially turning into tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Like every asset, Solana wasn't immune to corrections. The market cooled and prices adjusted. Still, the long-term trend was clear: growth. The development of dApps, expanding community support, and real-world use cases helped fuel momentum. And now, in 2025, that same $1,000 investment would be worth a staggering amount, possibly enough to change someone's financial life. That kind of gain opens doors, whether it's paying off debt, investing in new opportunities, or simply gaining peace of mind. The financial freedom is powerful. Solana's rise shows what's possible when you bet early on innovation. But let's not get carried away. Just because it worked once doesn't mean it will again. Crypto markets are volatile, speculative, and fast-moving. Past performance doesn't guarantee future success, and no investment should be made blindly. Still, Solana's 5-year journey is a powerful example of the upside that exists in emerging technologies. With careful planning, research, and risk management, early investments can pay off in a big way. So, what's the takeaway? Solana's growth has been nothing short of impressive. A $1,000 investment in Solana 5 years ago might have multiplied into something extraordinary. The crypto market offers big opportunities, but only for those who enter it with clarity, patience, and a plan. If you're curious to learn more about crypto trends and smart investing strategies, check out my previous videos. And don't forget to drop your thoughts about Solana or crypto investing in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take.